Welcome to this explainer. Today we're unpacking a piece of technology that is absolutely reshaping how legal professionals operate in India. We're going to dive into the Advopro platform and show you how it serves as the ultimate digital command center for modern legal chambers. Because let's be honest, if you're running a law practice, you already know that the actual practice of law is only half the battle, right? The other half is managing the sheer, heavy operational weight of it all. So let's explore how we can digitally transform that everyday reality.
But first, we have to address the elephant in the room. Let's think about your current setup for a second. Are you still heavily relying on scattered physical paperwork, endless filing cabinets, or perhaps most dangerously, informal, unsecure WhatsApp chats to manage highly confidential case updates? It's a widespread issue across legal chambers today. And relying on these disjointed methods doesn't just slow you down. It presents some really serious security and professional presentation challenges. Here is our quick roadmap for today's explainer. We'll start with a modern legal practice, introduce Advopro, look at the client mobile experience, dive into the admin command center, explore comprehensive legal services, and finally, show you how to upgrade your practice today.
Section 1. The modern legal practice, built specifically for India's legal professionals.
Whether you're an independent advocate constantly rushing between daily appearances, a boutique corporate firm, or a specialized arbitration professional, the administrative bottlenecks you face are entirely universal. We're talking about endless client management, chasing down legal documentation, tracking court schedules, and ensuring your billing actually gets completed. From family law to criminal defense, having a centralized, efficient operational ecosystem is absolutely critical if you want to scale your practice.
Moving to Section 2, enter Advopro, and what we like to call the white label advantage.
The true magic of this platform really comes down to 4 simple words: under your own brand. Advopro isn't just handing you a generic software tool. It provides an entire digital ecosystem, a web app, Android app, and iOS app that operates completely under your firm's own logo, name, and brand colors. You aren't sending your clients to some random third-party app. You're inviting them into your firm's exclusive digital space, which massively elevates your prestige while bringing all your operations under one roof.
Section 3, the client mobile experience. Let's talk about seamless client onboarding.
Put yourself in your client's shoes for a moment. Their journey begins with a highly secure login, requiring a registered email and a specific PIN to guarantee that their sensitive legal communications are kept strictly confidential. Once they're authenticated, they are greeted by a sleek, beautifully designed home interface that proudly showcases your firm's identity. From there, they can easily check their case details and navigate your services right from their smartphone.
Clients can intuitively browse your firm's master service registry. So whether they need a fresh legal consultation, a company incorporation, or a bail application, it's all right there at their fingertips. Plus, there is a secure, built-in live support chat. This means your clients can tap for immediate assistance directly within your secure app ecosystem. It completely eliminates the need for those chaotic, unsearchable WhatsApp threads, finally professionalizing your communication.
Section 4. The Admin Command Center. This is all about total control for the advocate. Now let's step behind the curtain. As the advocate, you get this incredibly powerful desktop dashboard that gives you a complete bird's-eye view of your entire firm. You get real-time file tracking, knowing exactly how many files are pending, assigned, or completed. You get instant financial statistics. And crucially, you have dedicated menus for managing your pipelines and handling automated proforma and GST invoicing without skipping a beat.
But of course, no senior advocate should be managing every single digital ping, right? That's where delegation comes in. This operator allocation feature is brilliant. As the head of the firm, you can securely assign specific access roles to your staff. You can designate someone as a manager, an executive, or an admin. This means your juniors and paralegals only see what they actually have clearance to see, keeping your practice secure while you efficiently distribute the workload.
And you retain absolute, total control over your specific offerings through the back-end master service registry. Let's say your chamber suddenly expands to include intellectual property law. You simply toggle trademark registration to active. If you decide to step away from family law, just toggle it off. The moment you do, your client-facing mobile app immediately updates, meaning your digital storefront is always perfectly aligned with your firm's current capabilities.
To make sure literally nothing falls through the cracks, there is a fully integrated, automated email reminder system. You can easily draft a custom message, attach files, and send targeted reminders. Whether you're reminding a client about a crucial upcoming court date,
or just pinging them because essential documentation is missing from their file. This automated system keeps everyone in the loop without your staff having to manually chase people down over the phone.
Section 5. Comprehensive legal services, handling every facet of the law.
Out of the box, this platform seamlessly categorizes a massive array of services. Under core legal services, it expertly structures workflows for standard consultations, drafting, and court representation. But it also scales incredibly well for corporate law, mapping out processes for LLP registrations and shareholder agreements. And it's equally robust for civil law, managing property disputes, recovery cases, and complex litigation with clear digital pathways.
It even drills down into the highly specialized stuff. It allows you to manage delicate workflows for criminal defense like bail applications and FIR handling. It securely handles sensitive family law settlements like child custody. It even provides structured services for intricate tax matters including GST refunds and complex tax appeals. Essentially, whatever facet of Indian law your chamber practices, this platform can digitize and streamline it.
Section 6. Upgrade your practice today. Let's talk about rapid deployment. You might be thinking, this sounds like a massive IT project, but the deployment process is actually remarkably fast. It's just 3 steps. Step 1. Provide your firm's logo and branding details. Step 2. Give us your basic configurations and payment gateway credentials so you can accept client fees right in the app. And Step 3. Within just 3 working days, you will receive a fully configured Android and iOS test version of your own branded app. It's startlingly fast.
It's a complete transformation, and it's incredibly accessible. We strongly invite legal firms of all sizes to book a demo today. You can discuss your chamber's specific custom implementation needs directly with the team. And what you'll discover is that the pricing models are highly budget-friendly. This ensures that independent practitioners and large chambers alike can afford to modernize their operations without breaking the bank.
So I want to leave you with this final thought to ponder as we wrap up this explainer. Is today the day you finally leave the scattered paperwork, the lost files, and those chaotic WhatsApp chats behind? Are you ready to step into the future of legal practice management, elevate your chamber's prestige, and truly digitize your legal legacy? Thank you so much for joining me today, and here's to the future of your practice.